You've probably tried those so-called free website builders, right? But after spending hours designing your site, you're stuck with an ugly footer ad and no custom domain unless you cough up hundreds of dollars per year. Sounds familiar? Yeah, it's a trap. These companies are not going to like what I'm about to tell you. In fact, they'd probably send a hitman after me. But I don't care, so I'm here to save you money, not to make them richer. There are 3 options. Option 1, free forever hosting. Low-code solution. Now, I get it. Building a website this way might take a bit more effort. But listen, you only build your website once. If you can host it for free forever, you'll save thousands of dollars over the years. So here are the top 3 hosting platforms that let you host your website 100% free with full control and custom domain support. Cloudflare Pages, GitHub Pages, and Netlify. Among all these, Cloudflare Pages is the most generous and reliable right now, so I highly recommend it. Alright, so you've got hosting sorted. Now, how should we actually build our website? First, a reality check. You don't have to do it yourself. If you don't have time to learn, just design your website in Figma and hire a dev on Fiverr or Upwork to code it for you. But if you're up for it, learning basic HTML and CSS is a super valuable skill, because every website on earth is built with these languages. And it's actually much easier than programming because they're just markup languages. Now, if you're a total beginner and need a simple, static website, no database, no complex backend, here are 2 great tools. Option 1, Hugo. Hugo is a blazing fast static site generator powered by Go language. Great for simple blogs and docs, but limited if you need dynamic features. Free, fast, but not very flexible. And option 2, Eleventy. A lightweight, flexible static site generator, perfect for custom static sites, but it requires manual setup and isn't ideal for scaling. Hugo is faster and simpler, but Eleventy gives you more control. Pick one based on your needs, but personally, I don't use either. I like my projects to be scalable with user management and databases, and the best solution for this is Next.js, a powerhouse framework built on React. It's used by top companies like Netflix, TikTok, Instagram, and Uber, and you can build anything with Next.js. So why is it so great? Next.js is super fast, SEO friendly, and scales effortlessly. Whether you're building a simple blog or a full SaaS, it's the best framework for modern, high-performance websites right now. So if you're serious about your website, Next.js is the way to go. So no matter how you create your project, you can finally deploy it to those free hostings I mentioned earlier. And that's it. You will never have to pay anything again. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a more in-depth tutorial on any of these topics. But if you're looking for a no-code solution, you can always buy a cheap host and install WordPress on it. WordPress gives you tons of free templates, powerful plugins to automate tasks, no coding needed, but if you want to customize, you can do it. And for the cheapest hosting, I recommend Hostinger. I put my referral link in the description for the best deal. So at the end, WordPress is always a solid option, but it can be slow, bloated, and limiting. But if you don't want to pay anything and you want a free forever solution with no coding, there's also a secret option that people usually don't talk about. Google Site Builder. It's 100% free. It supports custom domains and it comes with free templates. Sounds great, right? Well, it is, but there's a catch. What's the downside? Limited design flexibility. If you just need a basic website and don't care about fancy customizations, Google Sites can be a solid choice. But for anything serious, you'll hit a wall very fast. So there you have it. Stop wasting money on overpriced website builders. Choose a solution that fits your needs. If you end up using Next.js and want a scalable, future-proof website, I'd love to help. Just reach out. I hope this helps you to keep more money in your pocket. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments which solution you prefer and why.